Hey everybody, how y'all doing? Are you okay? In your neck of the words? What up? What up? Manners and respect, man. Are your girl, Debbie from Dunga Yard. Welcome you all to the Jamaican kitchen. Welcome once more to the Jamaican cooking journey. And all of you, when you ride on over here, always a special welcome to you. Thank you so very much for making it West Indian delights. Those who are there with me from the beginning of the journey, you know the motto, manners and respect. Now today we're on to a nice little something. A beautiful little thing. We have right here a tin of jack mackerel. Use the brand of choice, anyone you want. We have got a tomato, probably could use two, but we have only one. We have a little fresh green scallion. This is the part of the scallion that we need. We have some Scotch bonnet pepper, small ones though, not the hatty one then. We have some black pepper, maybe, just maybe, we might gonna need a toops of salt. We need a little thyme or some rosemary too, but we will get to the meat of the matter. And we have right here some rich, really rich coconut milk. And this coconut milk is from the dry coconut. It is from a dry coconut. Look at the richness of this milk, and you won't be able to see it mostly until when I'm putting it down into the pot. Now we want to prepare for you today a little tin mackerel rundown. Tin mackerel rundown. Yeah. Let us go right on over here. We have a measuring cup because I want to show you, because it's one tin of mackerel. Use a heavy bottom skillet. You don't necessarily have to have no Jessie in your kitchen, but the bottom of the thing you're using must be really heavy, because when these things start burn up, the bottom of the thing must be heavy. All right. So let me do here, going on here we're going to do a little measurement just for you, just for you. So I'm going to be using about 4 cups of freshly squeezed, bone dry coconut milk. Now, camera girl, could you catch this? Look at the richness of the milk going down into the pot. Okay? Now, all we are gonna do is to set this on high heat. Start it on the high heat. You've got to watch it. It is gonna boil until it comes down to a little oil and some custard. Okay? But this will take about 30 to 45 minutes. So you're in the kitchen and you're jumping around and you're doing what you want to do and all of that. And nobody say, Miss Debbie, we have the video up there on how you're to make your coconut milk from scratch in your blender, because me no I'm go rugo. Okay? And you're to remember to use warm water to do your coconut milk. I'm not sure if the can give you this, but when we reach down to the meat of the matter, you will tell me if the can one can do it, because I've never used it before. So we're going to leave this to come to a boil, and when it starts boiling, I'll come back to show you how you're going to treat it, that it don't boil come over and all of the little rundown niceness boil over the stove. Soon come. Okay, now see, it starts boiling. And you would never get this coming up from a yellow coconut or a green coconut. You see this, how it look already? You start get the rundown look already. So if you allow this to continue to boil on this high heat, it is gonna come right up to the top. And the deeper the container or the pot, it's the better. So what we want to do now, we want to carry it down to about medium. Carry it down until you see it's boiling, but it's still boiling. Look at it, but it's not coming up. Please put the camera on the camera girl. Look at it now. Shoot them up, camera girl. Shoot them up. Okay, y'all. So you have to bring down your heat now until it is still boiling, but not coming up. That means the heat under there is enough to let it boil, and also to extract the excess water, but it's not powerful enough to bring it up. So we are going to leave it like this, and we are going to let it boil until it comes right down. When we reach down a rundown stage, we're coming back to you. Hello, please. We got a tin of mackerel here, and I threw out the question. And can I say something to you? I am so proud of you all. Everybody chipped in and it was so principled and it's so decent. Miss Debbie, I washed my tin. A few people said they didn't know they learned. Manners and respect. Okay, that simply means we are doing some work right here on the Jamaican cooking journey. You typed in the comment section how you did wash your tin. I always wash mine with pure water. A few people said they wash it with dish soap, but so when we come back, we are going to move the label and we are going to wash with tin with dish soap and we are going to proceed. Aye, hello, give them a shot, camera girl, give them a shot. This is how you must be. The heat must be like this. It must be boiling, but it must not be powerful enough to take it up to the top, because if it come over and flow over, run down, crash, soon come. Okay, now family, I turn the stove down and look at this. It's the fastest. Hello, this is like, you can do this in midweek when you ever come home from work and feel like you don't eat up a rundown. You can do this for the midweek rundown. Make sure the coconut is bone dry. Make sure the milk is rich. Make sure it is bone dry. Two things. Make sure the coconut is bone dry. Make sure the milk is rich. Don't juice it with no long water. It will warm water. Now look at this. If you know a thing or two about rundown, you will realize look what is happening. This is natural coconut. You know, we have a coconut oil video to do right here on the Jamaican cooking journey. So this is the oil. Now, this is at rundown stage. And let me tell you something. Rundown is like life. You ever hear them say life is what you make it? Well, rundown is what you make it. So this is rundown. So if you put some tin mackerel in there, it's tin mackerel rundown. If you put some saltfish, it's saltfish rundown. If you put some fried fish, it's fried fish rundown. Make sense? If it does, type it in the comment section. Miss Debbie, it does make sense. Alright, Debbie, it don't make no sense. Type it. Okay. So we want to get to little thing up. So now we have some greens thyme here and some scotch bonnet. And may I use instead of thyme, may I use a little piece of rosemary. Eh? So you put it in here so now, because look here. It will take time gel down with this, because at this point this we want the flavor. So on the very lowest heat, you're going to let it stay down in there and take time flavor up the liquor rundown. Then hello, another name for rundown, you see, is Jamaican Liggy Lee. If you ever hear the word, I swear to God, K Lati and Dana Chapman know it. Liggy Lee. So now it is flavoring up this little custard and oil. So on the low, and you're leaving it right over here. You see pretty? Yeah, if you smell the rosemary flavor, you see, sir? Oh, bad Jesus. Hello, please. So, very low, because the little nice custard and the little fat, the little nice something, we don't want it dry out. Okay? Right on over here. So, we'll be moving from over there and to right over here. So, now we got a tin of tin mackerel, jack one that is. You could put two of the three little one in there, what we call old time, long time in a Jamaica. It's not, this is a dirty girl, you know. It's a little long up tin. I'm going to do a dirty girl dish for you one day. This is the jack mackerel. The other little one long up one. You could put three of them in there too. So we're coming right on over here. The first thing we're going to do is to remove this label. Hard kind of ham. So what's happening? Rat, roach. Let us go right over here. And I always do just wash it with the plain water. I'm going to do as the lady said. She said, Debbie, I use a little dish soap. This is what we're talking about, you all who have never done it this way. We do it this way to prevent a lot of bacteria, some of the sicknesses, all kind of things. Sometimes the kids them get sick, you get sick. You don't know what happened. When you go to the doctor, all kind of antibiotic, and they don't know what happened to it. So we are trying to cut down on the bacteria thing in the house, in the family. So we wash it properly and we try it like this. This is how we treat the thin things, you see? This is how we do it. Hello, please? Okay, this is how we do it, right here. So I'm gonna go now, whilst that is coming down, taking a little flavor. Let's look at it again. Look at this, beautiful. So I'm gonna go now, off camera, to cut my little tin mackerel and return, because we have some onions and we have a little tomato. So me soon come, because Me have one cutter here and it no good. The electric cutter them. Please to comment if you have one and it's beer trouble it give you. Please comment. I bought it and I didn't use it 2 times. It's not working. So I'm gonna go off camera, get my husband to cut with a knife and return. We are back with our tin mackerel. Aye, we get enough this here time. Aye, aye. So now we're gonna put in our tomatoes and our onions, but we have to up it a little bit. Let's up the flame a little bit. So you can rinse out your onion ahead of time. I can just take a spoon and rinse it out after you know Papi sure. You don't know if you do it. Look here. Give them a shot, camera girl. Give them a shot. That is how the tin mackerel rundown must look before you put in the mackerel. Now it's time for you to execute. You're going to put in this mackerel with this nice little tomato ketchup gravy. You're going to put in a little black pepper, of course, black pepper to taste. Because remember saying, the Scotch bonnet pepper in there, half it in there, no? Okay? Make we put a toops of salt, because you know, a toops. A little point pinch, me not even, this is less than 1/8 of a teaspoon. Make we sprinkle it. How they do, please? Hello? So, right here and right now, you're going to gently start to stir over. All them gravy sitting there. And all them ketchup sitting. Break the mackerel them in a two. Not break them up too much, you know. Because you know want them mash out, mash out. Hello, please, how they do, sir? Woo! Yes, sir. Hello. Let's get our flame down. Down. Down to the lowest point. Hello, camera girl. Please to shoot them up. Please to shoot them up. Now that our flame is down to the lowest point, we're gonna cover, but me never ready for camera. Jessie covered the way over there. So when we are gonna cover it on the low. Look at it. You notice it just a look at it, look at it. Just a bump. This is low. This is barely bumping. Look at it. So we are gonna cover it on this low for about 5 to 7 minutes. And when we return, Mama, tin mackerel rundown. Okay, family. A little sweating is going on here with me. Stick. I don't know it because the kitchen is hot. It is so hot. Let's get right in. Hello, please. This is Marine. Oh, God, Jesus. Let's turn it on. It's ready. It's ready. Now look at this. You see the coconut custard. You see the hello. And look here. We had the onions just where we wanted it. We never get the onion them too saggy. And all of them there's something there. No, look at this. Don't talk loud. Don't make nobody hear your business. Don't speak loud. Did you ever know tin mackerel could go to such a level? We're going to plate and return to present. Okay, now family, we went ahead and we plated up for you and we cleaned up our plate. Let's present. From my kitchen to yours, from my Jamaican kitchen to your family table, to your plate, to your stomach, to your dinner table, it's Jamaican rundown tin mackerel, our Jamaican tin mackerel rundown. Please do enjoy. You saw what we did, and we just garnish it off with a little fresh green scallion, just to pep it up a bit. Aye, hello. The man no calorie, that is a natural coconut oil. That's the real deal. What we can have this with, Miss Debbie? We're gonna leave the link to the Jamaican hard-boiled food. Check the video out before this one that we did the roast bread fruit atop the stove in the foil paper. Some look here. Hello, please. Some caramel dumpling, some boiled plantain, some dash. Oh, they do, please. Remember to like, share, subscribe, leave your comments below, and when you do, you will become a member of the post notification crew. And today's post notification shout out goes to my brother, Lord Beerus Bama. Lord Beerus Bama, I'm feeling you, my brother. I'm feeling you. Thank you, thank you. Thank you all so much. Thank you. Camera girl is interrupting me. Thank you all so much. Thank you for your love. Thank you for your support. And remember, our donation button is back up on the channel. Those of you who would like to support, thank you so much since it has been back up. Thank you so much who have been supporting already. We love you. We thank you even just to even think of us by even asking Miss Debbie how can we donate. We appreciate it so much. Thank you so much. We love you. Remember, like, share, subscribe. Debbie from Yard. Bless. No stress.